It is one of the initial level of wrist movements, how to make a small player to understand how to change the grip from forehand to backhand. So when you come to the net, this is the way you need to hold the racket and slowly you need to change the, you need to relax the fingers to tap the shuttle. And the same way when you play backhand, you need to change the wrist to the backhand side and tap it. So you need to have the ability to see the player how to change, whether the player is changing the grip properly from forehand to backhand and backhand to forehand. So the wrist movement he'll understand how to change the grip from forehand to backhand. These are the basic wrist movements initially when you start playing, when you make someone to play. So these are the basic wrist exercises you need to give them. So you need to see that the wrist should be changed from backhand to forehand, so that the wrist movement, the player can understand how to change the grip from forehand to backhand and backhand to forehand. Here I am going to teach you the basic wrist movement to make the player to understand how to hit the shuttle. At the point of hitting the shuttle, the racket head should be flat enough so that the shuttle will go straight while hitting. I'll just show you how to do the ball practice to make the player to understand to keep the racket square when he is hitting the shuttle. Just watch it. I'll take the hand. This is the forehand practice when you give the child, so that he'll stretch, open the arm, and you need to tap with the wrist. This is the point where he is going to hit the shuttle. So the racket will be square, so that the shuttle won't get sliced when he is hitting the shuttle. So the wrist will improve, and see that the racket should not hit the wall. Thank you. Yeah, when it comes to teaching a backhand, the very basic backhand can be done with the thumb on the one side of the racket head, so that the same thing can be taught at the wall. The same, like you need to keep the wrist back, hold the elbow and try to go to the wall, so that the point where you are hitting, it should be flat. The racket should be square. It should not get sliced. The shuttle should not get sliced. So this is the action. This is a basic, very basic shot while hitting the shuttle. Once the player learns the basic backhand shot, if the shuttle is just away from him, the way he has to handle the wrist, like the rotation of the wrist is required. You require the shuttle racket should be turned a little bit flat, and the same thing should be while releasing the wrist to hit the shuttle, it should be rotated. Watch the hand, watch the wrist. This is the way you are going to hit the shuttle. The basic thing is just flat, take the racket straight, and when you want to play with the wrist, the racket should be made flat and you need to rotate the wrist. Release the wrist and tap it. Wrist, release, rotate the racket and tap. This is the way you can drive the shuttle also.